Want to create a luxury golden typography logo in Photoshop that looks professional and premium? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to design a gold-style logo using simple text manipulation technique. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Now select the Type tool and choose the font Times New Roman Bold. This font gives a classic and elegant look, which works perfectly for luxury logos. Type two letters, S and C. Once your text is ready, right-click on the text layer and choose Rasterize Type. This allows us to edit the letters freely. Next, select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection around the letter C only. Right-click inside the selection and choose Layer via Cut. This will separate the letter C into its own layer. Now select the S layer, press Ctrl+T, and slightly increase its size. After resizing, move the letter C closer to the letter S to create a tight and professional typography layout. Select the S layer, choose the Paint Bucket tool, and change its color to red so we can clearly see the cutting areas. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the C layer and hide the original C layer for now. Select the Eraser tool and carefully erase parts of the duplicated C layer, just like this. Hold Ctrl and click on the erased layer thumbnail to load its selection. Go to Select, Modify, Expand, and set the expansion value to 12 pixels. Now click on the original S layer and press Delete to remove that expanded area. Press Ctrl+D to deselect, then delete the temporary top layer and unhide the original S layer. Now duplicate the S layer again and bring it to the top. Hide the original S layer, use the Eraser tool and erase parts of the letter just like before. Again, Ctrl+click on the layer thumbnail to load the selection. Go to Select, Modify, Expand. Choose 12 pixels, then select the C layer and press Delete. Deselect using Ctrl+D. Delete the temporary layer and unhide the original S layer. At this point, your typography should look clean, interlocked, and professional. Select the top layer and hide the background layer. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to merge all visible layers into one new layer. Press Ctrl+C to copy your logo. Now open the logo mockup file, which you can download from the link in the description. Double-click the Smart Object layer, press Ctrl+V to paste your logo, then save and close the Smart Object. And that's it. Your golden typography logo in Photoshop is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop logo design tutorials, text effects, and professional design tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.